start. Let's make these better. Get you caught up in everything you need to know in the world of finance and investments. Let's go to Statler Financial in Sebring, where Phillip is standing by. Good morning, Phillip.
Good morning, Scott. I know you're probably looking forward to your weekend, aren't you? Get a little catch up on some sleep.
Yeah, the weekend is here and life is good, man. But hey, it was a good week filling in for Dave. I enjoyed it.
Hey, it's been kind of a roller coaster week. The first start of the week was up. We had Tuesday and Wednesday were good days. I'm sorry, Monday and Tuesday were good days. Wednesday was a flat to down just a little bit day, and then yesterday was a pretty down day. We were down almost 1% across all the different indexes. The Dow was down about 0.9%, down to 25,169. The S&P 500 was down almost 1% at 2706. The Nasdaq, it actually was the worst performer yesterday, down 1.2%, down to 7288. So we really did see across the markets yesterday some downturns, and right now, just to kind of give you a preemption, it's heading that way again today.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So hey, today is the story of two toy companies.
Okay. Oh, I love toys.
Don't you? So we're kind of down to, here in the United States, we really just have two main toy companies, right? Hasbro and Mattel. And they both came out with earnings, and they kind of are the opposite. Hasbro, which had been doing pretty well, had a not so good quarter. They missed by about 34 cents a share, below what the estimate was that they're supposed to come in with. Also missed on revenue. They said that their gaming revenue was down 22%, which is, somebody's gaming somewhere, but it seems like all the gaming companies are having a little bit of an issue this quarter. So we're seeing it get hurt. And then they were hurt by the Toys R Us liquidation. Also was not good for them. And so they're trading down today about 4.75% before the market gets started. Now, the other one we have is Mattel. Now, Mattel has struggled. I will tell you, Dave and I have talked off and on about how they've just struggled over the last couple of years. They actually had a profit this quarter of 4 cents a share, and that was much better than was anticipated. The analysts all thought they were going to lose about 16 cents a share. So good on that point for them. Revenue was also better than Wall Street had forecasted, and they said, I thought this was interesting. Their Barbie line had the best year in 5 years, the highest sales they've had in 5 years for their Barbie line. So that was must have been a good Christmas for Barbie.
Yeah, so I guess Barbie's still a big deal after all these years, huh? Barbie's still going strong. That's good.
I think she's gaining some strength again. So Mattel's getting a huge boost today. Scott, they're up over 17.5% this morning before the market gets started today.
Okay, very good. What else do you have for us?
We've got, let me see what else. Oh, Expedia.
Yeah.
Expedia, the travel company. They came in pretty good. They beat by 16 cents a share. Revenue also was above what Wall Street had forecasted. They did really well when it came to their hotel bookings. We're up 11%, and their airline reservations, that revenue was up 18%. So some good things happening at Expedia. They're up almost 7% this morning before the market gets going today. The last one I want to talk about today is Skechers, the shoe company. Right? They came up. They beat by 8 cents a share. Had some pretty good profits there. Their revenue did come in a little bit below the forecast, but I tell you, their revenue was a little over $1 billion last quarter, which is the highest they've ever had. So some good things happening at Skechers. They're another big winner today. They're up over 18% this morning before the market gets going. That's a huge gain there.
All right. What are we looking forward to today, Phil?
So it looks like, Scott, we're going to head south again today. It looks like we're going to be in the red, at least at the open, pretty much a 0.5%. The Dow's down about 0.4%, $108. The S&P 500 is down 0.5%, $13.50, and the Nasdaq's down 0.75%, $52.75. Now, gold and silver are both trading up. Gold's up about 0.33% to $1,318 an ounce, and silver's up a little over 0.8% to $15.84 an ounce. And crude oil is up from where it closed yesterday, but Scott, it's down from where you and I talked yesterday because it was up over 53,
Right.
and it's at 52.68 right now. So it's heading down from where it was yesterday morning.
All right, super good, Philip. What else we got looking forward to today? And tell us about your show too. That show is that's a really good show. Folks have never caught it on TK.
Well, I appreciate that, Scott. You know, we do that Statler Financial radio show where we really dive in and talk about issues that people that are, I'm gonna say 50 and up, 45 and up, you're getting ready, thinking about retirement. We talk about a lot of topics that people need to be thinking about. And if you're in that first 10 years of retirement, there's some things there that you can glean and get some good information from too. But it's every weekend, Saturday at noon, Sunday, 10 a.m. on your sister station, News Talk 7:30 a.m. So a good time to catch up. And then they can follow us on Facebook, Scott, at Statler Financial Services, where, like, I'm recording this right now, and within usually an hour or two, we post this on Facebook, and people can like our page there and get access to it. So obviously they can always call us on the phone, Scott, 382-0037. Schedule one of our x-ray report visits so we can dig in and see how your portfolio lines up with your risk tolerance. So give us a call, 382-0037, to get that scheduled.
All righty, my friend. Well, I enjoyed our time together this week. I really did, and I wish you and your family all the best, Philip. We'll see you soon, okay?
All right, man. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it, and you have a great weekend.
You betcha. There's Phillip Statler, Statler Financial Services.